Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer TRX from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's really simple and easy. Open the Binance application, then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right corner here. Then you need to tap on this port in the top. After that, you have to search for this TRX here and select this Tron here. And once you have selected TRX, you are going to see the withdraw button and then you need to tap on withdraw. Currently I don't have TRX coins, so I will demonstrate it on some other coins. So you need to tap on TRX and you need to tap on this withdraw. Once done, it will ask you whether you want to send via crypto network or you want to send via email address, phone number or ID. So you need to select the option of send via crypto network, and here it will ask you to paste the address and then select the network. In order to find it, you will have to go to your Trust Wallet and then you need to log into your account first. After that, you need to tap on TRX and tap on receive. Once done, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the wallet address relating to TRX. So just have to tap on copy and you need to copy the address. Then you need to paste the address here in the first part, and then you have to enter the network and then you need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Then simply tap on this withdraw in the bottom right corner and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to transfer TRX from Binance to Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.